Okay, so I'm actually going to add a new sheet for this just by hitting this button. So sheet 87, that's a random number. Okay, so I'm going to highlight just these three columns. We really don't need the others because, well, yeah, we just don't need them. All right, I'm going to copy those three columns and I'm going to bring them over here and I'm going to paste them into this sheet. And I guess I accidentally picked up that fourth column at the last second. It doesn't matter. So I'm going to highlight, and you have to start with the column you want it to sort by. I first want to start it by sorting by the price. So by clicking the D first, it's going to give me the option to sort by column D. Why it does it that way, I don't know. But if I'd started with column A, it wouldn't have let me sort by column by the prices, and that's what we wanted to sort by. So data, I'm going to sort range by column D, A through Z. Okay. All right. So it says it did it for me. So now I've got my 20,000s all together, and it also kept them in order. There's your 15,000s all together. Oh my God, you had two different $20,000 tickets. Okay, so now I'm going to have to sort the 20,000s. I didn't even look closely enough at the store to realize there were two different items at 20,000. So now I'm going to sort it again, and I'm going to sort by the item, which I could have done this before. Not a biggie. I'm not panicking. So I'm highlighting that. I'm going to go to data. I'm going to do sort the whole sheet by column B since I've already done some. So I'm going to sort it by column B. Okay, so now your 15,000s are all down here at the bottom. Your 20,000s are now sorted by the type of item. Good, and it kept it in reverse order. So now you can take these and move them to your ticket list by item. So Bertie Bott's, I'm just going to scroll all the way down the Bertie Bott's section, and you're going to have to tell me which column is Bertie Bott's. So I'm going to stick it in there and make that item J. I'm going to put Bertie Bott's, and you can figure out the title of the item. And then I'm just going to do the same thing. Oops. Now I'm going to do the chocolate frogs. Oops. I will add more columns. I will format this. But you see what I've done? I'm sure it'll make sense to you. The point is we've got ticket lists. The first one is 125 tickets, then 150 tickets. Those both seem right based on what you've done. And then finally the chocolates. And you just need to match up what item goes with what product. I'll format the sheet for you. Chocolates. All right. And that one had 100 tickets. Everything looks good as far as the number of tickets